Hello everyone, I hope you are fine. Today in today's video I'm going to make the weekly outlook for anticipate what is likely to do the market. Yep. So in the analysis template, yeah, primary analysis, 15 minutes time frame, I'm going to mark out important levels that I have, yep, for the week and see what happens the previous week, the last part. Yeah. So Thursday, yeah, Thursday. Sorry. In the Thursday we had a huge range. Yeah, double distribution day here and here with single prints here, here. Yep. And in the volume profile, we are seeing something. Here were more orders than here in the time price opportunity. Yeah, the time here was different of here. Yep. So here is the most important balance area. Yep, the edges. Yeah, the high volume node edges. So I'm going to mark that here, something like that, like a minor level, because it's one of the daily profiles. Yeah, daily profile. But here we have a, a good confluence, yeah, with the high volume node of this volume profile compositive volume profile. Yeah, here we have a balance area, here a low volume node. Yep. And in the 13 days compositive volume profile, we have something that is a huge high volume node in this area. Yep. And my anticipation for for this week is maybe consolidation Monday, yeah, Thursday, Wednesday, around this huge balance. Yeah. Because of what? Why I'm waiting this? Because the last day of the week we had a D shape profile in the time price opportunity, yeah, in the TPO chart. We had something here that is excess low, yeah, excess low in an important level, in a previous important level. What level? Here. See? We had a high volume node in this area, yeah, in the time price opportunity. Why is that important? It's important because this is the last high volume node created before of this huge rally, yeah, huge rally. So this area is very important to take into consideration for the next movements. It's like a naked high volume node, yeah. And we have something here, a low volume node in the volume profile, compositive volume profile. Yeah. here, and market reaction here with excess low. So the buyers entered here, yeah, to the market here, and then the distribution was here, yeah, distribution mean reversion here, the mean reversion setup, and here, in the edge of the high volume node of the problem, volume problem. So we open this week above, above of the point of control of Friday, yeah, and we have something very important here. Poor highs, very good poor highs, yeah. In what level? In the edge of a high volume node. And what? Other high here, and single print. Yep. So this area, I wanna see a huge displacement, or in EMT logic, yeah, action market theory logic, I wanna see a huge movement here above, above of the high volume node edge here, above of the 6,895 or the 90s, yeah, 900. I wanna see a huge movement here. The market participants agreeing these levels, yeah, for fill out this high volume node, this low volume node, or single print, yeah, because why I want to see that? Because here we have a low volume node area in the volume profile 19 days composited, yeah, volume profile, and the 13 days compositive volume profile. We have a little volume here. The low volume acts like a hole, for price, like for value gap, yeah, in the ICT terminology. I want to see this imbalance, fill it, that market participants will find agree above of this. For see that, yeah, we have to see a acceptation above of this high volume node of the time price opportunity, yeah. Maybe here in the point of control, a contraction or retracement in the last two deviation for London, and then a huge movement here, maybe above of the value high, retest at the daily VWAP, with the daily VWAP, sorry, and then boom, expansion higher. Yeah, we are creating consolidation time price opportunity. We are agreement. We are accepting this point of control above, yeah, And in the volume profile, the same shit. Previous day high, yeah. Previous day high is my goal for tomorrow, Monday, maybe Tuesday, and Wednesday if we didn't get there. After see that, I want to see an accepting, an acceptation above of this, and find this balance area. Yeah, I have this balance area in two, yeah, in two volume profiles, 13 days compositive and the 19 days compositive. And something is very important here, very fucking important. Here we have a compositive time price opportunity of all this range of consolidation from here to here, yeah, a huge consolidation area here, see? And then we had this movement. So why this area is so fucking important? Why? This is the last high volume node that made this huge movement, bearish movement. This high volume node is very important to take into consideration because of what? We have this area, high volume node, and this area. We could see, we will say this is a high volume node, yeah, a huge high volume node. Wait me a little. See this. This is a high volume node, yeah, but we have to see the most recent action here in the time price opportunity. This is a very important level, yeah. The value area high of the volume profile, compositive of all this range, and the time price opportunity is also in conflict with that. High volume node here in the 6,918. This is an important level. If we accept, see this is very important, yeah. If we accept above of this high volume node, above of the low of this high volume node H here, we could see through the shelves, yeah, the shelves. This could be named like a shelf, yeah, here in the volume profile, here in the overall volume profile, and here, yeah. So I want to see an acceptation. After see acceptation here above the previous day high and above of this single print, yeah, I want to see maybe a contraction, yeah, a maybe contraction to here, and then bullish movement accepting higher prices above of the of this level. 913 acceptation through the level, fill out this single print of the TPO, and then reach this high volume node area. And yeah, so that's my weekly outlook for this week. Let me know what do you think about it. And yeah, thank you so much for seeing the video. and have a good day, night, whatever.